Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 on VMware Workstation. It is the easy method that you can install Windows 10 on VMware Workstation. You can install it on VMware Workstation Pro and VMware Workstation Player. If you don't have already installed VMware Workstation on your system, I have two separate videos for VMware Workstation Player and VMware Workstation Pro. You can find these two videos on the description. For installing Windows 10 on VMware Workstation, click on Create a new virtual machine, select Custom, Next. Here select Install Disk Image, Browse, select your Windows 10 ISO. If you don't have already downloaded Windows 10 ISO, I have separate video for that. You can find on the description. Open. Next. Guys, if you want to use a free YouTube title generator, then come to analyzewith.com, come to Tools, Title Generator, then click on Generate Titles. Windows Product Key. You don't need to enter Windows Product Key. Just enter your password. Next. Okay. Yes. Virtual machine name, you can change this name, Windows 10. The location is okay. Next. Select UEFI. Next. Processor configuration. 2 processor is enough. If you have more processor, you can select more. For example, I want to select 6 or 4. Then next, select RAM. 2 GB RAM is enough. If you have, you can select more. I want to select 4. I have 16 GB RAM. Next, the network configuration is okay. It is not. Next, leave as default. Next, select a disk type. It is okay. Leave as default. Next, select a disk. Create a new virtual disk. It is okay. Next, 16 GB hard disk is enough. Store virtual disk as a single file. Next, again leave as default. Next, finished. The configuration is done. In this step, you don't need to do anything. With this method, you don't need to do anything because any step will done automatically. It is done. Enter your password. It is done. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. If you have any questions, put down on the comment section below. Have a good time. See you soon.